Hey guys, my name is Josh Weber, but I explain a little bit about what landing pages are, what ClickFunnels are, and how they both intertwine with your affiliate marketing. So, what landing pages are? So, let's say that you have a Facebook ad that's going on Facebook, and the whole purpose of it is to bring traffic to your affiliate offer. So, a big no-no with Facebook is actually putting your affiliate links inside your Facebook ad directly. They don't like it for their own reasons, and if they do see it, they'll actually suspend or delete your account. And so how you get around that is actually through landing pages. Landing pages are very simple websites where you can direct traffic over to your, whatever task that you need. In our case is an affiliate offer. And so real quick, for my visual learners, I'm just going to explain that and show you a picture. So like I said, you have your Facebook ad right here, and you're going over to your landing page and then over to your offer. And like I said, what you don't want to do is put that affiliate link directly into your Facebook, skipping the landing page. So what I'm gonna do real quick is actually show you a tool called ClickFunnels, and where you can create your own landing pages very quickly and very easily. So let's jump into my computer, and I'm gonna show you right here. So this right here is inside my ClickFunnels account, and if we click the edit page, you can just see how this will look like. So this would actually be the page where from your ad, this is the first thing they'll see. This is called a landing page. All right, so right here inside the ClickFunnels or your landing page, it's very easy, and all these right here can be replaced, deleted. Let's say I just didn't want this. Let's say I just want to delete that. Boom. Yep. Just delete it. Gone. Let's say that we didn't like this one either. Let's just say that like all this down here we didn't want. We could delete that too, and just have a simple landing page where it's just your product, and all these can be replaced. You can put whatever you want. Let's say that uh, get access to your free ebook. Let's say I was offering an ebook in the offer in my ad, or let's say that it was your since it's a mobile. Let's say your mobile system, something like that. I'm just making stuff up. So let's say that get your instant access to your mobile system, whatever. Whatever you're offering, you can put it, you can just create a quick little ClickFunnels account, edit your landing page, and then transition it to your affiliate offer. As I said, very easy, quick little video. Just wanted to make sure I just put this out there since I saw some questions about it. In the link below, you actually have a straight link to ClickFunnels if you want to sign up, as well as some offers and some tools that you can use to build your traffic if that's something else you were considering needing, for yourself. My name is Joshua Weber. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, in the comment section, if there's any other videos that you'd like me to make or review, just let me know and I'll, put those out right for you. Like I said, that's it. My name is Josh. Peace.